it was at that point I'm thinking, and I'm combining what happened to me back in Dade County back in those early years. And as a detective, you've got this thing about you're wanting to solve the crime. You're wanting to answer the question. What happens after we leave this existence? What's on the other side is one of the biggest questions, one of the biggest mysteries of all mankind. So at that point, I'm figuring I'm gonna find out what the answer to this and that's how we created. I'd done some investigations and had been looking into this for a few years prior, but it was at that point I said I'm going to try and use my skill set as a detective, put that to work to try and figure out what this phenomenon is, what this mystery is. So that's what I've been doing ever since.
And that brings me to 2011 when you founded the Florida Bureau of Paranormal Investigation.
Yep. Yeah, that's when we kind of put it all together. And I had several cops on the team using their skill sets also, and we began to investigate. I had some teachers, I have some firefighters, and we just started investigating what this phenomenon was. From that point on, we've been doing it ever since.